The whole pile of deer running over here, like 5 of them. They were running all over the place over here, like something spooked them. Maybe it's one of those mountain lions coming to get me. Okay, we're out here with the egg just for a couple of minutes. I want to see if this thing's worthy of flying outside. We're going to calibrate it. Let's take off. And here it is, the egg outside. Now I never could get that headless mode work inside. Let's see if I can get it to work out here. No, I can get it to work right into the fence. So I don't think the headless mode on this thing works right. It didn't work in the house, but I was able to recover it in the house. But here it just, you know, just got away from me, so no big deal. Okay, we're gonna give it another try, but headless mode, no dice. You know, I mean, I guess it works. I don't know what kind of range it's gonna have. Just not digging these wand things. Yeah, I'm just not liking this wand stuff, especially outside. It's not as bad in the house, but when you're out here, then you're fighting the elements, you know, you're fighting the wind and all that, so then it makes it even more. I mean, the pitch on it is not that good to begin with, so then you add a little wind to it, so then you're really getting screwed. I guess one of these might have been okay if it would have had the camera and you could have just taken some selfies or some hovering video or something like that. Maybe something out in the backyard. But, you know, as far as... it's more like a novelty type deal. It's more of a gimmick, you know. Seems to fly okay. If the headless mode would work, it'd be even better, but it doesn't. You could actually just, you know, spin it around and fly it around, but every time I hit the headless mode button, it goes ape shit, and that's the end of it, you know. But it does seem to fly okay for what it is, which is, it's an egg. Okay, that's what it is. It's an egg. Every time I go out too far on it, it seems to start losing the bind, just like the other one did. Let me see how responsive it is out there. You'd never want to fly this thing outside in the first rate. Okay, this thing will go gonzo if you get it too high. It's pretty responsive on the throttle, you know. The throttle is pretty responsive. It's just the roll and stuff like that, and the pitch is nowhere near as responsive as the throttle is. See, there's the throttle response. That's pretty good. If the pitch and roll were that good, it'd be not too bad. I will tell you though, it is quite... There's the lights flashing. It's quite boring, okay? It's quite boring. So I really wouldn't recommend buying one of these. It's really kind of just like a novelty, a gimmick. Maybe if it had a camera in it, it'd be okay, but you know the camera would be shitty anyway, so it wouldn't matter. So, yeah, I think it's a turd. I'll just wind up sending it out to somebody. That's probably what's gonna happen, so I won't have to deal with it. I got my couple flights in with it. That'll be the end of it. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later.